Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix, the builder. Basically, you are building your own website, but suddenly the mobile menu isn't opening, linking correctly, or even showing some random pages. So in this video, we're gonna try and I'm gonna show you how to fix the mobile menu not working in Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, we're gonna go open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go look for Wix.com, open the website. It will take you to a new other tab where you should usually log in using your email address and password. Then tap on Design Website. So this will basically open the Wix website editor in a couple seconds. All we're gonna do is wait so you can see the problem and actually fix it. Okay, preparing your website. So we're just waiting. We're gonna go all the way and change from desktop to mobile. Okay, just tap on mobile and wait. So as you see, guys, make sure you check all of them pages as you see hidden on mobile, because there is some things that are hidden on mobile. So if you want to show them, all you're gonna do is tap on show. Okay, so tap on show again, tap on show, make sure you tap or basically show everything as you see, show, then show basically the latest one. So everything is looking good now. You can even go to preview, try using the device, try changing some stuff. As you see, open the menu, about, contact, book a table, experiences. You have multiple options, and that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.